I I guess we could start right now. What's the date today?
5/27/13.
Okay, so it's in May,
The 27th.
and where are you?
Sandpoint, Idaho.
Okay, you're not in Kokolala land, huh?
I am.
All right. And what are you about to do?
Drive around the driveway.
On a 700cc Polaris ATV. It's got a lot of power. I mean, that will pull a tree out because it's got a winch on it, as we can see. And she's going to take it around the driveway. At your age, boy, oh boy.
I'm almost 10.
I know, but still, there's not a lot of people that get to do that when they're 9,
About 10.
about 10. We'll say 10. All right, so, Aleecia, go ahead. Start your motors. Uh-oh. Is there a problem?
This is park, right? No, this is park.
All the way forward.
It's park.
You know what? You can start it when it's in forward, too.
This is park. This is
It doesn't matter. You can push it all the way forward and start it and go. Whoa. Is it all the way forward? There you go. All right, be careful, darling. Be careful. No. No, no, no. You can make that. I'll move the chair. You got it. You got it. Go, girl. You got it. We're rolling. We're rolling. Go for it. Yes. Sounds like she made the corner. Shouldn't be a problem there. Could be coming around this other side here shortly. There she is. She's got it. She's done it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Home sweet home. Good job, Aleecia. Woohoo! Nice. There's Ori. How'd you like that?
It was fun.
All right. Good solo job by yourself.